Hi everyone, my name is Tatiana and I am a founder of keySkillset. It's a platform with a variety of educational games to learn and build some technical skills, including Excel, financial modeling, and even coding. Let me show you a short video for you to understand keySkillset products better.
Training and educating your employees is a vital part of creating and maintaining a thriving business.
But factoring live training or other similar means of education into the budget or the schedule isn't always possible. That's why businesses turn to keySkillset.
So I was in the corporate training industry for over 15 years, providing training to the largest banks, consulting companies, and so on and so forth. And after the training, I noticed that people would come to me and ask where they can practice these technical skills they just learned, such as Excel, financial modeling, or Python. And I made a deep research and there was no good simulator, good solution for them. So at the end of the day, I created it, and that's how keySkillset was born.
This muscle memory building educational platform was designed to increase efficiency and speed in vital organizational tools like Excel, PowerPoint, financial modeling, and even coding for working with large sets of data.
It does this quite well thanks to a reliance on gamification to engage and motivate employees.
keySkillset's gamified e-learning format allows employees to play online educational games at their own speed, providing kudos and progress tracking along the way.
And for extra incentive, employees can play against other colleagues for some friendly competition.
Speed, efficiency, and studied content are all measured and appraised in real time for each employee, and an easy-to-read report is generated for quick assessment.
You can discover more about keySkillset and how to implement this unique educational platform in your business by going to keyskillset.com today.
So this is keySkillset, and our best-selling product is, of course, Excel efficiency game. There are over 750 million Excel users worldwide, which makes us guys the third largest population in the world, right after China and India. So of course, Excel efficiency game is our hit, and I would like to introduce it to you right now. So this is the main menu of Excel efficiency game that keySkillset offers. You can see we offer 4 different topics here. Commonly used hotkeys and ribbon navigation includes over 200 Excel shortcuts. And we do promote mouse-free use of Excel because using Excel efficiently means using Excel mouse-free. We also cover some formulas and functions from basic to advanced, including lookups, match, index functions, and so on and so forth. We cover some financial and statistical functions such as PV, rate, IRR, and so on. We go deep on if statements, including some ifs, count ifs, if arrow, and other functions. And we also cover some text functions and date functions for you, which are crucial when you work with text or dates in Excel. In advanced Excel topic, we cover macros, data tables and conditional formatting, pivot tables and charts, goal seek, and data validation functions in Excel. And you'll find the approach of keySkillset very easy going and very fun to learn. Because first of all, it's a learn and do approach where you learn and do and practice at the same time. Second of all, we take complex stuff and we basically provide it with easy to digest little steps. So the learning process is smooth and quick. For example, many people who never worked with macros, scared even thinking about that, right? Macros, oh my God, that's so scary. I promise you, just take this one topic within Excel efficiency game and you'll understand that whatever looks scary is really, really not. And we help you with that. Let me give you an example of how these simple steps look like within the game. So let's say I'm going to go to formulas and functions, intermediate functions, and within the game, you can see that To the right, we list all subtopics listed in this topic. For example, for intermediate functions, you would cover average, median, mean, small, count, round, product, sum product, rent, and so on and so forth. And at the end, you would have a skill set IQ. It's a little test in a fun way, testing your knowledge you've built through the game. You also can see the progress bar on top, and you can see how well you're going through the product. You can skip steps or come back to the previous step if you want to repeat it one more time. If you went through all the steps, you will get checks here. However, if not, you can see an empty circle. So here as well, you can navigate through the game, understand what's completed, what's not yet, and jump between topics as well. For example, I don't want to cover average right now. I want to go to small, large functions, and I would jump right there by clicking the relative topic. Right now, I do want to cover average formula with you guys to show you an example. You can see the spreadsheet right in front of you, and you can see how the game navigates you with guidance. For example, to start writing formula would be equal sign. So I'm clicking equal sign on my keyboard right now, and it goes to the next step, start typing average. I'm typing average on my keyboard right now, so I'm actually learning and practicing at the same time. And to grab the top formula, average, I would use tab on my keyboard. That's what I just punched. So I'm going to highlight B4 to B3 to calculate average sales for A and B for 2017 here. One arrow up on my keyboard, shift up, arrow. I'm actually punching the buttons right now. And then I need to click OK to enter the formula. Perfect. So let's fill this formula to the right. Instead of going Control-C, Control-V or dragging with a mouse, again, as I mentioned, we promote mouse-free use of Excel because it makes you 10 to 20 times faster in Excel as soon as you build this muscle memory. So with shift right arrow, I'm going to highlight B5 to D5. And with Control-R shortcut, I will fill formula and format to the right. Let's see what's going to happen. Excellent. All actions throughout Excel efficiency game are completely mouse-free. And that's why we encourage you to go through the first two topics, commonly used hotkeys and ribbon navigation first, so you learn mouse-free use of Excel by heart. It includes over 200 shortcuts and different tricks that you learn. And even for advanced mouse-free Excel user, I'm sure you'll find something new and some new tricks that would make you even more efficient in Excel. For beginners, it's great to learn Excel mouse-free from the very beginning, so you don't have to relearn that. And for those who already use Excel, however, use mouse a lot, that's a great tool to build muscle memory because it's difficult to transition from mouse use of Excel to shortcuts and mouse-free use of Excel because you already build this muscle memory to reach for the mouse. But every time you reach for the mouse, you miss these precious microseconds that end up being hours, days, and months of your precious life. So by building muscle memory, by learning and doing at the same time, in Excel efficiency game, you basically make it easier on yourself, and repeating actions over and over again throughout the game makes you a strong mouse-free user of Excel. As you go through topics, you collect stars and keys. 1 star for the practice exercise and 1 star for the IQ challenge after. And you get the key when you collect all stars within the topic. You can track your progress in the top right corner. You also can track your increasing efficiency in Excel as you go through the game, if you take the original Excel skill set IQ, so we can measure your skills from the beginning. You can find a list of all 200 Excel shortcuts we cover in the game using that button. Here it is, and you can go to a specific topic if you wish to check the shortcuts. You also can find all formulas we are covering within Excel efficiency game here, listed by topic as well. keySkillset game fits both PC and Mac users, as we thought through keyboard differences for any device, basically. Last summer, keySkillset participated in the Financial Modeling Summit, and we were very proud to receive a Financial Modeling Innovation Award. Here's the speech from the award ceremony, where we are full of gratitude for appreciation of our hard work.
I saw the trend that people would come to me and say, you know, the training was great and we learned so much, so many Excel tricks and so many financial modeling tricks as well to speed up. Where can we practice that? Because we can't remember everything in just one day. keySkillset is a platform with a variety of educational games where you can learn and do at the same time and sharpen your skills to become fast and efficient in different programs such as Excel, financial modeling, PowerPoint, and more. As a girl from Russia, from a very small town, I always thought of something bigger and always dreamed of something bigger than that. And that's how I kept moving and moved to St. Petersburg, then to Moscow, then to the US, to Boston, then to New York, and kept moving. And now I am living American dream. I live in the greatest place in the world. I want people to not be scared of Excel or any hard skill that looks really scary, like financial modeling, Python, all the technical stuff. Sometimes people just get scared, and I want to make it fun and easy and entertaining for them.
That's pretty much all the information I would like to share with you today. And if you have extra questions, you are looking for more information about keySkillset, please visit our website, keyskillset.com. You can find lots of additional information about keySkillset, all of our products. You can connect to us right here, or feel free to email straight to me. My email is Tatiana@keyskillset.com, and I would be so happy to connect with you and to discuss more. Thank you so much for your attention, guys. Big hug to all Excel lovers. Enjoy.